In this module, we'll discuss the proper method for preparing and shipping mirrors.
First, inspection and cleaning.
Confirm part description as well as interchange information on work order matches the part and any special instructions have been completed. Inspect for any broken or missing components including guide pins, mounts, plugs, and indicator lights. Remove any aftermarket covers or blind spot attachments. Thoroughly wash and degrease as necessary to remove dirt and debris. Mirrors should be polished and the housing should be cleaned thoroughly.
Tagging and identification. Stock number or PO should be engraved or written on the inner mounting portion. Make sure not to mark the glass.
Shipping. All mirrors must be boxed. At least 2 inches worth of packing space should surround the unit inside the box. To quickly assess your box size, use your index, middle, and ring finger as a minimum width check between the outer box wall and the mirror.
So Emily, this mirror is packaged up. What considerations do we need to take?
I would say just make sure your box is big enough that it's not going to get moved around, break anything on the inside. Also use your 3 fingers, make sure there's enough packing material in there. And another thing to consider with mirrors is making sure that we're not writing on the glass itself and we're writing on an inward point. And just like everything else, if you can shake it around and it moves, open it back up, add some more packing, and should be good to go with it.
Thank you, Emily. Thanks for watching and stay safe.